Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving some questions from statistics. So, this question is telling us that let x be a Poisson random variable with mean lambda. Which of the following parametric function is not estimable? Option 1 is telling us that lambda inverse, option 2 is lambda, option 3 is lambda square, and option 4 is e to the power minus lambda. So, we are trying to determine the parametric function which is not estimable. So we need to evaluate the properties of the Poisson distribution and the nature of the parametric functions. So the key points of this question are what? So the a Poisson random variable x with mean lambda can tell us that expectation of x will be lambda and our variance of x will be lambda. So the sample mean x bar is an unbiased estimator of lambda which allows to estimate functions of lambda that depends directly on lambda and its powers. So estimability. A parameter is estimable if it can be expressed as a function of the sufficient statistics. For the Poisson distribution, the sufficient statistic of lambda is the sum of these, that means the summation of xi, or equivalent or eventually the x bar. So our option 1 is that lambda inverse. Yeah. So since our lambda can be estimated by this, so our lambda inverse can be estimated by this. So our this will be estimable. So this is not a correct answer of this question, as they asked us to find the function which is not estimable. And now lambda. So lambda is directly estimable by x bar, so that will be cancelled. Now lambda square can be estimable by this. So now e to the power minus lambda is a nonlinear function of lambda. Nonlinear transformations like these are generally not estimable, as there is no unbiased estimator of e to the power minus lambda based on the sufficient statistic x bar. So that is not estimable. So the correct answer of this question is my option 4, which is telling us that this is e to the power minus lambda, as they asked us that find out the function which is not estimable. So our 4 is the correct answer of this question. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.